welcome back to my channel. It's Miss K and I am back with another video. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you turn on your subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss my next uploads. Today, I will be doing a review over the Outre Bang & Pony. Her name is Kayla, and I got this in the color 1B30. I believe I got this from Sam's Beauty. I do apologize because I purchased this a little while ago and I forgot that I had it and I didn't get a chance to do the uploads. But I will make sure that I leave all of the information in the description box below. So let's take a look at her. And as you can tell, I already have my hair molded up. So it's been a while since I've worn a bang, and I do mean it's been a long time. So here's what the front part looks like. And here's what the back. And I do like that little wave that they got going on. It's not a lot of color in it, just a little bit to give you a little oomph. So you have the clips in the front right here that's going to hold the bangs down. You see those just clip. And then you have a comb right here to secure it to your ponytail. And then you have the drawstring. So let's go ahead and get her on to see how she's looking. And see that color is not overpowering at all. It's just kind so this is the finished look, you guys, and for all intents and purposes, I think it's really cute. It's been a very long time since I have worn a bang. Now, I did go in and I did put the 2 pins on the side just to get this area a little bit more snug and not as wide as it was. For all intents and purposes, I think the bangs came out really good. They do not cover my eyebrows. I think I have this position correctly, but I don't want it to cover my eyebrows anyway. So I'm pretty good with the way that it is. The 2 clips right up here are sitting about right here. It's not painful. It doesn't hurt. Everything is okay. This hair has a nice little texture to it. It's not yucky, but it's not too silky either. It feels pretty good, actually. And I just think this is really cute. Again, you know, summer's getting ready to approach. Hopefully we'll be able to go outside by the time you're able to order this and get this home. And let's see. Yeah, I really like the way that they put the color in here because it's not too much. And it, like I said, it's just really cute and flirty. Now, on the stock card, you can see that she has it to the side the way that I have it, which kind of gives me a I Dream of Jeannie feel. And then they have it twisted. So I might try that as well. But this is, again, the finished look, you guys. Let me know if you have any intentions on getting it. What do you think about this unit if you already have it? And until the next time, I will see you. Bye, guys.